Study in Canada under $4,000. CAD in partnership with Parrot Canada. Visa consultant. Background, Canadian flag plus Parrot logo. Parrot Canada Visa Consultant, your trusted pathway to affordable Canadian education. Yes, you can study in Canada for less than $4,000 CAD. University located. Manitoba, Canada. Master of Education, $3,927, CAD. Graduate Diploma in Rural Development, $3,850 CAD. Master of Arts in Rural Development, $3,850. CAD Brandon, Manitoba, accredited Canadian University. Affordable tuition, under $4,000. CAD International Student Support, powered by Parrot, Canada, Visa Consultant Company, Limited. Apply today and start your Canadian journey. Our offices, Parrot Canada Visa Consultant, Conda Ltd. Flag RWANDA Town Center Building, near Simba Supermarket. Second floor. Door, F2, B022C, Nyarugenji, Kigali. Infos at visaconsultantcanada.com, KE, Flag Kenya, Embu Dallas, CFF Street info at visaconsultantcanada.co.keg Flag. Ghana, Ahimsa Estate, Kumasi admission at visaconsultantcanada.com, ZM Flag Zambia plot, number 40, St. Francis Road, Bonaventure, Lusaka. Infos at visaconsultantcanada.com, TZ Flag Tanzania. Registered office, Dar es Salaam region, Ubungo district, Ward Mbezi, postal code 16113, Mbezi Luis, Mbezi High School. Infos at visaconsultantcanada.com, KR Flag South Korea, Suwon, Paldal Gu, Paldal Munro 115, Byongil 38, first floor plus 82, 10 9862 0978, general contact info. WhatsApp, +1 438 290 6688, phone, +1 263 588 5750. Infos visaconsultantcanada.com, www.visaconsultantcanada.com. Parrot representative contacts worldwide. HU Flag, Hungary, +36 7352 7547. KE Flag, Kenya, Nairobi, +254 711 807646. UG Flag, Uganda, Kampala, +256 784 547702. CN Flag, China, +86 131 3257 7440. TR Flag, Turkey, +95 133 869 4092. US Flag, USA, +1 567 329 9231. RW Flag Rwanda, +250 780 273 122. GH Flag, Ghana, +233 59 340 0478. CA Flag, Canada, +1 431 302 0226. ZM Flag Zambia, +269 729 68285. MZ Flag Mozambique, +258 86 352 3312. KR Flag South Korea, +82 10 9862 0978.